Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jarvis Universe. Today we will learn how to make your own security system using a motion sensor. This is what a motion sensor looks like. It is a miniature of a motion sensor which is compatible with Arduino board. It has two adjustments on the front. You can see one is for time delay and one is for the range. Time delay is between 5 to 300 seconds and the range is approximately from 3 meter to 7 meters. Now as you can see, there are three terminals: the VCC, that is 5 volts output, the middle one, and the ground. It has a PIR sensor in the middle. I will open up the white part and show you later. Let's move on and look at the circuit diagram, that how we'll be connecting our motion sensor to our Arduino board. So here we have a buzzer, a red indicator, and we will be adding a green indicator as well, and Arduino board. Whenever it detects a motion, it will light up the red light, and as it will reset after a few seconds and light up the green light. So let's put together all our components that we will be needing in order to make this circuit. So we will be using Arduino Mega 2560, an active speaker, a green LED, a red LED, 300 ohm resistors, a motion sensor, and an LCD. This is the motion sensor I will be using. As discussed, there are three terminals, two for the power and middle one is for the output. This is the PIR sensor which is located in the middle, and you can see VCC out and ground are already labeled. I will be attaching a data sheet in the description so that you can have a look later. These are the two adjustments. Left one is for the sensitivity range and right one is for the time delay. We can adjust them according to our needs. Right now I have kept the range at the minimum and time as 20 seconds. So let's begin with connecting the wires. First we will hook up our breadboard with the power supply using Arduino. So here we have connected positive 5 volts to the breadboard and negative to the breadboard. Then we will connect our red LED positive leg to the 7 terminal of Arduino. Similarly, green LED positive leg to 8 of the Arduino board, and positive leg of the speaker to the 9 terminal of the Arduino. And I have kept the negative of all three components common to the rail. So here is the connections for LCD, ground, VCC, SDA and SDL. So I will be using IDE module with the LCD. It is easier to make connections with this module because less the jumper wires, more appropriate is the circuit. So we will connect it as following. Then we have the motion sensor. The middle pin is the output pin. So all we have to do is connect output pin of the motion sensor to Arduino board and power it using 5 volts. So let me take you to the computer screen and we can start writing our code for this particular circuit. So first we have the libraries. Wire.h is for I2C module and liquid crystal I2C is for LCD. I have provided a link in the description for both. Then we will set the address for the LCD, which is binary 0 into 27 and for 16 characters and 2-line display. So we will be writing liquid crystal I2C LCD 0 into 27 16 2. Then we will define our buzzer, which is connected to pin 10, green LED to 9, red LED to 8, and our output pin of the motion sensor to pin 7 of the Arduino. It is always better to mention in the comments, so that when a programmer reads this code, he will be able to understand. Then we will be giving a value to the output pin of the motion sensor, so that what we are receiving initially is 0. Then we will keep PIR state low initially. Then let's move to the void setup, where we will begin our LCD, that will initialize the LCD. Then we will write the code to initiate the backlight. Then we will define green LED, red LED, buzzer as output, and our pin 7, which is motion sensor output, as input, as we will be taking input from the output of the motion sensor. Then we will be defining the value, which will be digital read by the Arduino from the pin 7, which is connected to the output of the motion sensor. Now we will write an if command. If value of the sensor is high, then red LED will glow and buzzer will turn on, and green LED will be off, so that motion has been detected. That we will write to our LCD, and we will write our PIR state as high. Same, we will write an else command. If value is equal to low, then LED will be low, buzzer will be low, and green LED will be high. And then we will write that means motion has ended. So this will be printed on the LCD screen. For that we have written the command lcd.print. So this is it. We are done with writing the code. Now we can go ahead and verify the program. Once we have verified the program, we can upload it and we can make the circuit work. Okay, let's move to the circuit and see how it is working. So you can see red LED is glowing and it says motion detected. So right now motion has been detected. We will wait for some time to reset, and motion has been reset. Now when we will wave our hand in front of the sensor, the motion will be activated again. See, red LED will glow and buzzer is ringing. So that means motion has been detected. This can be used for various applications, like for watch keeping systems, for security systems. So this is it, guys. We have learned how to use a motion sensor using Arduino and LCD. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Ciao.